Hey, Kevin here from Central Heating. So we're just starting to reach out to our customer base, which is including you, about getting tune-ups done in our membership program. So the first reason you want to get a tune-up done is safety. So if you have something wrong with your furnace and there's a problem with the heat exchanger, that's the equivalent to leaving your car on in a garage with the door down. You can get CO poisoning from it, so it's important that we check the integrity of that heat exchanger. The next reason is keeping your warranty intact. So you have a warranty with your furnace. Typically it's 10 years for parts and 20 years for the heat exchanger. If you do have to make a claim on that warranty, you want to be able to have evidence that some professional's been in there and checked that furnace regularly. And the third reason is peace of mind this winter. As the cold weather approaches, you want to know that that furnace is working, and this is very cost-effective way to do that, to make sure that you're good for the upcoming heating season. And if there's a problem, you can get it sorted out before it gets too cold. And as you know, Christmas morning or Thanksgiving morning, you're freezing when you've got family there, and you have to make an emergency call on a weekend.